Hello everyone, welcome to this video on simple linear inequalities for eMath. Imagine you're at the mall with only $50 in your wallet. You can't spend more than that. Whatever you buy must fit within this limit. How can we represent this using math? That's actually an inequality. Shopping costs less than or equal to $50. Interesting, right? These symbols aren't just in math class. They show up in real life all the time. Now that we've seen a real example, let's be clear about what we will learn today. By the end of the lesson, you should be confident in 4 main areas. Understanding the symbols. First, you need to recognize and correctly use the 4 inequality signs: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. These are the building blocks of inequalities. Rules of inequalities. Next, you'll learn the basic rules for solving them. They work just like equations, except when you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip the inequality signs. Solving and representing. You will practice solving linear inequalities step by step, and then showing the solutions on a number line. Real-life applications. Finally, you apply inequalities to real-world problems. Things like limits on age, budget, speed, or capacity. This helps you to see how inequalities are used beyond the classroom.
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.